Hello guys, so our next question is, which of the following is not correct about Henry's law? On increasing temperature, value of KH increases. Okay, value of KH increases, solubility of gas increases, and the third option is value of KH for two different gases at same temperature is not same, and the fourth option is none of these. Okay, so let's check what is the Henry law. Basically, Henry law is, according to Henry law, P is equal to K into solubility, where P is the partial pressure of a gas and K is the Henry constant, and so solubility will be indirectly proportional to 1 by is directly proportional to 1 by KH. So solubility is inversely proportional to KH. As solubility increases, so Henry's constant will decreases, or vice versa. So according to the expression, if solubility of gas increases, the value of KH decreases. So answer number 2 is correct. Thank you.